Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where tech tips are simple and fun. In this video, I will show you how to disable the pin lock on your Android phone using a few quick steps. This is useful if you are switching to another type of lock, like fingerprint or pattern, or simply want to remove screen security. Here's what we will cover. Step 1. Open your phone settings. Step 2. Navigate to screen lock options. Step 3. Choose none or remove PIN. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open your phone settings. First, unlock your phone and go to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Biometrics and Security. The name may vary slightly depending on your device. Step 2. Navigate to Screen Lock options. Next, scroll down and tap on Screen Lock or Lock Screen Type. It will ask you for your current PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. Go ahead and enter it. You will now see different options like pattern, PIN, password, or none. Step 3. Choose none or remove PIN. Select none to completely remove the lock screen. If you don't see that option, try selecting swipe instead. This also removes the PIN. You might get a warning that your phone will be less secure. Tap yes or confirm to proceed. And that's it. You have now disabled the PIN lock on your Android phone. If this video helped you out, give it a like and share it with a friend. And please don't forget to subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more quick tips. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.